Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Santa Fe backseat. Start by gathering tools, 10mm socket, trim tool, and gloves. Fold the seat cushion forward to expose bolts, then remove bolts with a 10mm socket and ratchet. Use the trim tool to gently pry clips and free the cushion. Carefully unplug any seatbelt harness or electrical connectors and lift the seat out while keeping hardware organized for reinstallation. Fold the rear seat cushion and slide it forward to expose the mounting bolts. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet to break each bolt loose, turning counterclockwise. Keep the bolts steady with a hand while removing to avoid dropping them. Inspect bolt threads and clean any debris before storing. If bolts are tight, apply penetrating spray and let it sit for a few minutes while you prepare the next step. Quick recommendation: if you like to read while working on cars, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes manuals and guides easy to read in any light. It has a crisp display and long battery life, making it handy in the garage or outside. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more step-by-step guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Release the seat back by locating lower clips where the cushion met the backrest. Push the clips in with the trim tool while lifting the backrest upward and away from the mounting points. If equipped, disconnect the seatbelt buckle and electrical connectors by pressing tabs and pulling straight out. Support the seat back while removing to prevent it from swinging. Store the seat back in a clean area to avoid damage while you work on the floor or trunk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.